Hello and welcome to a captivating exploration of vision and optics. Sight, arguably the most cherished of our senses, allows us to perceive the world in all its vibrant detail. From the intricate beauty of a flower to the vast expanse of the night sky, our eyes act as windows to a world teeming with visual information. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the fascinating processes that transform light into meaningful images? In this journey through the science of sight, we'll delve into the remarkable anatomy of the human eye, unravel the mysteries of the visual pathway, and discover the fascinating role of optics in the clarity of our vision. Join me as we embark on this illuminating adventure into the world of vision and optics. The human eye, often mistakenly likened to a complex camera, is a testament to the marvels of biological engineering and a reason for giving credit to its creator. Light enters the eye through the cornea, a transparent dome that acts as the eye's outermost lens, bending light to help focus it on the retina. The iris, the colored part of the eye, controls the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. Behind the pupil lies the lens, a flexible, transparent structure that further focuses light rays onto the retina. The retina, located at the back of the eye, is a light-sensitive layer that acts as the eye's film. The retina contains millions of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. Rods, responsible for vision in low light, allow us to perceive shapes and movement. Cones, on the other hand, function in brighter light, enabling us to see color and fine details. When light strikes these photoreceptor cells, they convert it into electrical signals transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve. The journey from light entering the eye to the perception of sight is a complex and fascinating one, involving a series of intricate steps. It all begins when light rays, carrying visual information from the external world, pass through the cornea, pupil, and lens. The lens focuses these light rays onto the retina, the light-sensitive lining at the back of the eye. Embedded within the retina are millions of photoreceptor cells, the rods and cones, which act as the pixels of our visual system. These specialized cells contain light-sensitive pigments that undergo chemical changes when exposed to light. These chemical changes trigger a cascade of events, ultimately generating electrical signals. These electrical signals then travel through a network of nerve cells within the retina, eventually converging on the optic nerve. The optic nerve, a thick bundle of nerve fibers, acts as a high-speed information highway, carrying visual signals from the eye to the brain. Each optic nerve carries information from one half of the visual field. The optic nerves from both eyes meet at a point called the optic chiasm, where nerve fibers carrying information from the nasal inner half of each retina cross over to the opposite side of the brain. From the optic chiasm, visual signals travel to the thalamus, a relay station deep within the brain, and then to the visual cortex, where our conscious perception of sight is formed. Our eyes, the windows to the world, are often at the center of myths and misconceptions. These myths, passed down through generations, can sometimes lead to unnecessary worry or prevent us from seeking proper eye care. Let's debunk some of these common vision myths and separate fact from fiction. Myth 1. Reading in dim light damages your eyes. While reading in dim light might cause eye strain or fatigue, it doesn't permanently damage your eyes. Myth 2. Eating carrots will improve your vision. While carrots are a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for eye health, they won't magically grant you superhuman vision. Myth 3. Sitting too close to the TV will ruin your eyesight. Contrary to popular belief, sitting close to the TV won't harm your eyes. Myth 4. Wearing glasses weakens your eyes. Glasses or contact lenses are designed to correct refractive errors, helping you see clearly. They don't weaken your eyes. In fact, wearing the correct prescription can prevent eye strain and improve visual comfort. A balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables is crucial for overall eye health, but it can't correct existing vision problems. Optics, the branch of physics that studies the behavior and properties of light, plays a crucial role in our understanding of vision and the development of technologies that enhance and correct our sight. At the heart of optics lies the concept of refraction, the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another. Lenses, carefully shaped pieces of glass or plastic, exploit the principle of refraction to manipulate light rays, converging or diverging them to form images. Convex lenses, thicker in the middle than at the edges, converge light rays, causing them to meet at a focal point. This property makes convex lenses useful in magnifying glasses, cameras, and the human eye, where they help focus light onto the retina. Concave lenses, on the other hand, are thinner in the middle than at the edges and diverge light rays, spreading them outwards. Understanding the principles of optics and the properties of lenses has revolutionized our ability to correct vision problems and enhance our visual experience. The science of optics has not only revolutionized our understanding of vision, but has also paved the way for groundbreaking inventions that have extended our visual reach far beyond the limitations of the naked eye. From the intricate details of microscopic organisms to the distant galaxies in the vast expanse of space, advancements in optics have unveiled hidden worlds and expanded our perception of the universe. The invention of the microscope in the late 16th century marked a pivotal moment in scientific history, opening up a whole new realm of the microscopic world. Microscopes use a combination of lenses to magnify tiny objects, revealing details invisible to the naked eye. At the other end of the spectrum, telescopes have extended our gaze to the cosmos, revealing the celestial tapestry of stars, planets, and galaxies. Refracting telescopes, like the ones used by Galileo, use lenses to collect and focus light from distant objects. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched into orbit in 1990, has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial wonders, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. The digital age has ushered in an era of unprecedented screen time, with smartphones, tablets, computers, and televisions dominating our daily lives. One of the main concerns is digital eye strain, a condition characterized by eye fatigue, headaches, blurred vision, dry eyes, and neck and shoulder pain. The blue light emitted from digital screens has also been a subject of concern. Blue light, a high-energy visible light, penetrates deep into the eye and can potentially damage the retina over time. Studies have shown that prolonged exposure to blue light can disrupt sleep patterns, as it suppresses the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Simple measures, such as taking frequent breaks from screens, adjusting screen brightness and contrast, using blue light filters, and maintaining a proper viewing distance, can go a long way in mitigating the potential risks associated with prolonged screen time. Prioritizing eye health in this digital age is crucial for maintaining optimal vision and overall well-being. Our eyes, precious and irreplaceable, deserve the utmost care and attention. Just like any other part of our body, our eyes need regular checkups, a healthy lifestyle, and proactive measures to maintain optimal vision and prevent age-related eye diseases. Here are some essential eye care tips to keep your peepers healthy and bright. 1. Schedule regular eye exams. Regular comprehensive eye exams are crucial for detecting and addressing eye problems early on, even before you notice any symptoms. 2. Protect your eyes from the sun. Prolonged exposure to the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays can increase the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and other eye conditions. Wearing sunglasses that block 99 to 100% of UVA and UVB rays is crucial for protecting your eyes from sun damage. 3. Eat a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids is essential for maintaining good eye health. 4. Take breaks from digital screens. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This helps reduce eye strain and keeps your eyes lubricated. The field of optics continues to advance at a rapid pace, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in vision correction and enhancement. From innovative lens technologies to groundbreaking surgical procedures, the future of optics holds exciting possibilities for improving vision and treating eye diseases. One promising area of development is adaptive optics, a technology that corrects for distortions in light waves caused by the Earth's atmosphere. Researchers are now exploring the potential of adaptive optics in ophthalmology, with the goal of developing high-resolution imaging techniques for diagnosing and treating eye diseases. Another exciting area of research is gene therapy, which involves introducing genetic material into cells to treat or prevent disease. The development of artificial retinas, bioengineered devices designed to restore vision in people with severe retinal degeneration, is another groundbreaking area of research. The future of optics holds immense potential for transforming the way we see and treat eye diseases, offering hope for clearer vision and a brighter future for millions worldwide. As we conclude our journey through the captivating world of vision and optics, I invite you to continue exploring the wonders of sight. What surprised you the most about the science of vision? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, this is Body Bite Insights, the channel that is committed to spreading the knowledge about the human body.